Yo, find a ming any. Dane can bank as an year. When I did the regular, mean, funny no ko any man hanging near bang men no, I'm addressing a serious issue. So I have a bunch of you near about both the India me ben and kemia ke o we guy content me ke fie bo aka few. Hello. Not everybody wants to be funny while cussing out. Like, adding that whole thing to their content. You can be funny in Ghana and not cuss out, honestly. Owanyo we ga no bo akaka. Many we ga na me bo akaka me go. What's a coin be ba internet no? E mami ba a big woman, great woman. Ne ba internet no. Mommy, let's go see what you do on the internet. Be na ba akwa na mami nita internet no ne bo akaka. And so if because of that it doesn't appeal to you so much, that's okay. I honestly am okay with that. It does not have to appeal to you. That's fine. But this is my style. It will fine. Then about no face strategy. You want make a content plan, content pillars. Want no DMM. Think twice. I think it is very unfair on someone like me who goes all out to create content for you guys to laugh and stuff like that. Okay, fake content. Take if you call and I want them if you over an anthem, man, in person. She on the internet. I'm sorry, no, it's not gonna happen.